A great truck is not just built. It is engineered to endure, to haul, and to become a legend on the open road. Among the most remarkable long-haul trucks ever produced, the Ford LTL 9000 stands as a true classic in American trucking history. Designed to deliver both power and comfort, this model was introduced as a premium heavy-duty truck, offering a balance of durability and driver-focused features. Over time, it gained a reputation for reliability, making it a favorite among long-haul truckers. The LTL 9000 was launched as part of Ford's Louisville line, with the LTL designation standing for Louisville Tilt Hood. Unlike conventional cabovas, this truck featured a long-nosed design, allowing it to accommodate powerful engines, while providing improved aerodynamics and ride quality. Originally introduced in the late 1970s, the model saw continuous updates throughout its production run, with enhancements made to its powertrain, comfort, and overall functionality. Throughout the years, modifications were carried out to improve performance and efficiency. Early versions were powered by Detroit diesel and Cummins engines, while later models featured the legendary Caterpillar 3406, known for its durability and high torque output. Transmission options included Eaton Fuller manual gearboxes, which ensured precise shifting and control. With these configurations, the LTL 9000 became well-suited for long-haul trucking, heavy-duty applications, and even specialty transport needs. Inside the cabin, Ford emphasized comfort and ergonomics, making long drives less strenuous for truckers. The dashboard was designed with an intuitive layout, placing essential gauges and controls within easy reach. Air ride seats were installed to reduce fatigue, while the spacious sleeper cab, offered in extended configurations, provided a comfortable resting space for drivers. Many models were also equipped with additional insulation and advanced climate control systems to enhance the driving experience in various weather conditions. The Ford LTL 9000 was praised not only for its performance, but also for its durability. Its robust chassis and well-built suspension system made it a reliable choice for demanding applications. However, as Ford eventually exited the heavy-duty truck market in the late 1990s, production of the LTL 9000 was discontinued, making it a rare find today. Currently, well-maintained or restored LTL 9000 models are sought after by truck collectors and enthusiasts. Prices for used units vary based on condition, engine type, and mileage. Many of these classic trucks have been preserved or modified, keeping their legacy alive on roads and in trucking events. Even though newer truck models have taken over the industry, the Ford LTL 9000 remains an icon, representing an era when trucks were built with power, resilience, and an unmistakable presence on the road.